A very fresh morning to all students. Hello students, how are you? I hope whatever I have discussed in the previous part of this chapter you all have completed and you have read all the exercise properly. Now this is second part of our chapter number 6. The title of this chapter is Degrees of Comparison. This is second part. In this second part, I will explain remaining exercise of this chapter. So, all of you observe this video properly and try to understand. Now, look at here students. Exercise number B. As you know that exercise A I have discussed in previous video. So, I start with exercise B. Look at here. Take the correct forms of the adjectives in these sentences. See, in this exercise, what you have to do, here two options are given and out of two, you have to select any one proper options for given sentence. First of all, you have to read all the sentences properly. Look at here, student. Sentence number 1. Mumbai is more populated or most populated than other big cities in India. Now look at here, students. When you read this sentence and when you read here the word then, as per the rules, then is used for the comparative degree sentence. So here there is a comparison between two cities. Okay. So here which is the proper options here? More populated, because then is used in comparative degree and that's why we have to select comparative form of the degree. So here more populated is used in comparative form of degree because most populated is used in superlative degree. Okay, so you have to tick mark on more populated. Second sentence, she is one of the best or bestest dancers in our school. Here the word here used is definite article the, and as per the rule the definite article used in superlative degree. So we have to select the superlative form of degree. So here best is correct form of the adjective. So we have to tick mark on best. Sentence number 3. This is the delicious or most delicious dish I have ever tasted. Now here the correct form is most delicious, because delicious is a wrong form of the adjective. Which is the correct? Most delicious, because here also the definite article the is used. So we have to tick mark on most delicious dish I have ever tasted. Number 4. My shirt has become tighter or tightest than before. Here also the comparative form we have to select because than is used in the sentence. So the correct comparative form is tighter. T-I-G-H-T-E-R. So we have to tick on tighter. Number 5. No furthest or further information is available about the artifact. So here we have to tick on further. Okay, because further is correct form of adjective. Now number 6. She is the capablest or most capable person in this room. Here the superlative form capablest is a wrong form. Which is the correct form? Most capable. So we have to tick mark on most capable. She is the most capable person in this room. Number 7. Amwa looks taller or tallest than her brother. Okay, here comparison between two person. So this is comparative sentence. Here we have to comparative form of the degrees we have to select. So because here also you can see then is used in the sentence. So tallest is a superlative form and which is the comparative form? Taller. So we have to tick mark on taller. Number 8. My cousin is the younger or youngest member of the family. Now here also the definite article the is used. So we have to select the superlative form of the degree and younger is a comparative form. So which is the superlative form? Youngest. So we have to tick mark on youngest. Number 9. The new bed is heavier or more heavy than the old one. Here again the comparison between two things. Okay. So we have to select comparative form of the degrees. But which is the comparative form of here proper? Heavier. More heavy is a wrong. That's why we have to select heavier. The new bed is heavier than the old one. Number 10. Which is more slow or slower? A tortoise or a snail? Now here also what we have to select? Proper form. Okay, more slow is a wrong form. Which is the correct form? Slower. Here also the comparison between two animals. That's why. So which is slower? A tortoise or a snail? Okay, so students, I hope all of you understood this exercise properly. Here only you have to tick mark in your textbook with the help of pencil. Now we are going for the exercise number C. Complete the sentences with the correct forms of the adjective in the brackets. Now in all these blanks, bracket given, and in the bracket word you have to read very carefully. Look at here. Rashmi is into bracket good is written at chemistry than the other students in the class. Now good is written. Okay. But here comparative form because than is used. So here we have to select the comparative form of given word. Okay. Here good is positive form. What is the comparative form? Better. So here better is written. Same way we have to complete all this exercise. Number 2. Jojo is the blank into bracket nice is given person in the neighborhood. Here the superlative form is we have to use because the definite article the is given. So nice is a positive form. What is the superlative form of nice? Nicest. We have to add est at the end of the adjective. So the spelling here we have to write nicest. Number 3. Rajasthan is the blank into bracket hot is given state in India. Now here also the definite article the is given and here the comparison more than any other states in India. Okay, so here we have to use superlative form. So what is the superlative form of hot? Hottest. Here this T we have to double the consonant and then we have to add est. So what spelling we have to write here? HOTTEST, hottest. Okay, now number 4. Swimming regularly is a blank into bracket good is given way to stay fit. So here we have to write the same as it is. Here there is a no comparative form, no superlative form. Okay, so here we have to write good only. Number 5. My brother is the into bracket calm is written person in our family. Now here the definite article the is given and in our family. So the comparison with a more than 3 persons or more than that. That's why we have to use the superlative form. So calm is a positive form. What is the superlative form of calm? Calmest. Here we have to add est. So what is the spelling? CALMEST. Calmest. Okay. Now number 6. Today's weather is into bracket bad is written than what it was yesterday. Here comparison between 2 days. Today and yesterday. So we have to use here the comparative form because than is also used and as per the rule than is used in the comparative form. So bad is positive form. We have to change into comparative. Here the totally spelling is changed. Okay, so what is the comparative form of bad? Worse. WORSE. There we have to write. Now number 7. Who is the blank into bracket popular is written actor in your country question mark is given. So here the is used and whenever the is used before the adjective you have to understood properly that here we have to use the superlative form. Okay, now what is the superlative form of popular? Most popular. So here we have to add most before the popular. So MOST most popular actor in your country. Okay, number 8. This is one of the blank noisy houses in the street. Okay, here the comparison more than 3 houses or more than that. So that's why we have to use here the superlative form of word noisy. So what is the superlative form? Noisiest. Because here the spelling Y change into I and then we have to add est. So what is the spelling? Noisiest. So it called noisiest. This is one of the noisiest houses in the street. Number 9. My grandmother is the blank into bracket kind is written. Person I have ever met. Now here also these use definite article before the adjective. That's why here also we have to use superlative form, because here the comparison with many people in the many person that I have ever met. So here also we have to use the superlative form. What is the superlative form of kind? Kindest. Kindest. That we have to write, kindest. Number 10. The apples are into bracket juice is written and also very into bracket sweet is written. Here there is a no comparison, so we have to write the positive form. So juicy का juicy रहेगा और sweet का sweety रहेगा. No change. Okay, I hope students you all of you understood these 10 sentences properly. Now we are going for the exercise number D. Complete these sentences by using the correct forms of the adjectives from the box. Now here the help books are provided, but it doesn't mean that the same word we have to write in the fill-ups. We have to read first the sentence, and if it necessary then we have to change also into comparative, positive or superlative. Okay, now these, look at here. Jaya is more hardworking than Susma. Here comparison between two girls are there. So here the word then is also used. So we have to use comparative form. Here more is given. That's why we are writing directly hardworking. Number 2. This essay is the blank of the 6. Here the comparison with many essays, more than 3 or more than that. That's why we have to use the superlative form. Here the definite article also written. Okay, here bad is given. But what is the superlative form of the bad? Worst. That's why we have to write here worst. W-O-R-S-T. Number 3. The hedge is blank than the wall. Here the comparison between two places. Okay, hedge or wall. Or here the word then is used, and then always used in comparative form. Okay, so here the word high is given, but high is positive form. So what is comparative form? Higher. H-I-G-H-E-R. That's why we have to write here higher. Number 5. My writing is blank than yours. Here the comparison between two person. Okay, so here also the word then is used, so we have to write the comparative form. Okay, so here we have to write neater. N-E-A-T-E-R. Okay, now look at the number 5. We had the blank holiday in Goa last month. Now here fabulous is written, but here the definite article the is written. Okay, so here we have to use the superlative form. So we have to add most before fabulous. So what is the sentence? We had the most fabulous holiday in Goa last month. Number 6. Usha is the blank of them all. Here the comparison more than 3 persons and definite article the is used. So here old is a positive form. What is the superlative form of old? Oldest. So here we have to write O-L-D-E-S-T. Oldest. Okay, number 7. This bag is blank than the one I bought. Here the comparison between two bags. Okay, and here the word then is used. Then is always used in comparative form. Here the word expensive is written. But what is the comparative form of expensive? There we have to use more before the expensive. So more expensive than the one I bought. So what is the complete sentence? This bag is more expensive than the one I bought. Number 8. Dia gave Neha a blank and comforting hug. Here the untidy is written. Okay. So here we have to write also untidier. Okay. Diya gave Neha a untidier and comforting hug. Okay, now look at exercise number E. Correct these sentences. Number 1. Which is the longest river in Africa? Here some mistakes are given in the sentences. You have to underline that mistakes, and nearby the sentence you have to write correct one. See that here, which is the longer river in Africa is written. Here the definite article the is written, so we have to use here superlative form. But by mistake here comparative form is written. That's why we have to underline this part, and nearby we have to write longest. Number 2. Although Reena is a faster runner, she missed the bus. Here the underlined word is faster. Okay, so here there is no comparison. Still here the comparative form is written. So we have to underline the word faster, and then nearby we have to write the positive form fast. Number 3. The crow dropped pebbles into the pitcher until the water level was high than it was before. Here the comparison between two situations given. So the word then is also used, but by mistake here written high. High is used for positive form. Here the comparative form is there. So you have to underline the word high, and nearby you have to write higher. Higher. Okay, now sentence number 4. Suresh wishes he had a newest scooter. Okay, here superlative form is written, but here the positive form we have to write, so you have to underline the newest, and nearby you have to write the positive form only, new. Number 5. Jasmeet is a best dancer than Gauri. Okay, here the best is used for superlative form, but here comparison between two person is there, then is also used, so we have to write comparative form, not superlative form. So you have to underline the word best, and nearby you have to write better. Better is the comparative form of best. Number 6. That is the more interesting film I have ever seen. Here more interesting is written, and this is here the definite article the is given, and the definite article the always we have to write in superlative form. So this is comparative form. So you have to underline this more interesting, and nearby you have to write most interesting. Okay, I hope students you all of you understood this exercise. Now look at the another. We use as plus adjective plus as to compare two things or people that are similar in some way. For example, this knife is as sharp as that one. Okay, so in positive form we are using as plus adjective and plus as to compare two things or people that are similar in some way. Okay, we use not as plus adjective plus as to talk about how two things or people are different from each other. ओके अब हमें कोई भी दो पर्सन्स की सिमिलैरिटी सेम है वो दिखाने के लिए हम एज का यूज करते हैं, फिर प्लस एडजेक्टिव का यूज करते हो, और लास्ट में भी हम एज का ऐड करते हैं. Look at here. My sister is not as tall as my mother. If the similarity are not similar, we are using not. Okay. And if the similarities are same, we are using as plus adjective plus as. Now look at this. This exercise is so simple. Okay, exercise number F. Complete the second sentences using as and the word in the brackets. Now what you have to do, see here the first example given in your book. Yusuf and Kures scored 20 marks in the test. Now see that Yusuf did in the bracket well is given as well as Kures in the test. Means दोनों का परफॉर्मेंस टेस्ट में अच्छा है. दोनों की वो जो सिमिलैरिटीज सेम है, दोनों का स्कोर्ड 20 मार्क्स है, दोनों का 20 मार्क्स टेस्ट में मिला है. सो द यूसुफ एंड कुरेश बोथ वेर क्लेवर. Now look at here. Mother and father are 35 years of age. father is blank, mother into bracket old is given. So the similarity is same. Both are 35 years of age. So as old as. What we have to write? As old as. Number 3. The temperature has been at a 5 degrees both yesterday and today. Here also the similarity same. Temperature same. 5 degrees. कल भी 5 degrees मीन्स कल टुडे एंड यस्टरडे दोनों का सिमिलरिटीज डिग्रीज वाइज 5 ही है. यस्टरडे भी 5 डिग्रीज थी, आज भी 5 डिग्रीज है. सो द सिमिलरिटी इज सेम. सो वी हैव टू नॉट ऐड नॉट बट वी हैव टू ऐड ओनली एज प्लस एडजेक्टिव कॉल्ड एंड अगेन एज. सो टुडे इज एज कोल्ड एज यस्टरडे. Number 4. Mona went to bed at 8 o'clock. Sangeeta went to bed later than that. Okay. Now, Sangeeta did not go to bed. Into bracket early is written. Mona. As early as Mona. Mona went to bed at 8 o'clock. And Sangeeta went to bed later than that. 8 बजे के बाद. So Sangeeta did not go to bed as early as Mona. So सबसे early went to bed who? Mona. Okay. So here we have to write only as early as. Number 5. I can throw a ball farther than you. You cannot throw a ball into bracket. What is given? Far. So here also we have to use as far as me. Okay, I read once again. I can throw a ball farther than you. It means मैं throw ball का दूर तक कर सकता हूँ compared to you. You cannot throw a ball as far as me. तू मेरी तरह बॉल को थ्रो बहुत फार तक नहीं कर सकता है. So here we have to use only as far as. Okay, so students, I hope you all of you understood all these exercise, and this is last exercise of our chapter 6. Here chapter 6 is completed. All these exercise you have to write with the help of pencil in your grammar book, and once again with proper concentration you have to read all the exercise properly. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.